Closed-toe shoes are to be worn in the cutting and industrial machine areas of the lab. Eye protection must be worn while cutting. If you're cutting large quantities of fabric, it is also good practice to wear a face mask. You must also wear the mesh safety glove on your offhand that is helping to guide the rotary cutter anytime you are using it. This is a dangerous machine when not used properly. Do not attempt to use it without prior authorization from AIBI staff. This is an electric rotary cutter. Like a manual rotary cutter, this uses a round blade to cut through fabric. But this one is designed to cut through multiple layers of fabric stacked up to 1/2 inch. There may be many unfamiliar parts on this tool. Rotary blade, lower blade, pressure foot, sharpening stone, knife guard, and the switch lever. Please be aware of the electrical cord at all times while cutting. If you nick it or cut through the cord, it will ruin the blades and likely short out the motor. If you do accidentally cut the cord, or something breaks or won't work right, stop using the machine right away. Let the monitor on duty or other AIBI staff know that something has gone wrong. If no monitor is on site, please put everything back in the plastic bin and place the bin at the front of the lab on the white desk. Once you have the proper safety gear on, you're ready to cut. This machine works best when cutting with a paper marker on top of the fabric. Keep the pressure foot flat on the table, and the rotary cutter should glide smoothly through your fabric. If you start to feel the fabric resist, you should check that you do not have too many layers and that the fabric hasn't become tangled in the blade. If you still feel resistance when cutting, you may wish to sharpen the blade using the built-in sharpening stone.